Let me check which one you will do by yourself. Okay, let's continue. Number 8 we'll be doing today. Okay, let's read it carefully. Yes, everyone, please turn on your camera. So, number 8 question says an AP consists of 50 terms. We are having 50 terms in our AP. Okay, the first term, the second term, third term, fourth term. Total 50 terms we are having, of which third term is 12. So in your AP, total 50 terms you are having. Okay. First term, second term, third term, fourth term. Like that, you are having total 50 terms, of which third term is 12. Here it is given that third term of our AP is 12. Here it is given that third term is 12. The moment you will read that the third term is 12, you will write that A3 is 12, right? And the last term is 106. See, this question is a straightforward question, but okay, it's just trying to confuse you. 50 terms are there. At first it is written, and then it is written that last term is 106. Okay, so yes, can we say this 50th term is 106?
Yes, ma'am.
If it is written that last term is 106, and total 50 terms are there, of course 50th term is 106. Your A50 is 106. Everyone, are you getting it?
Yes,
Now,
miss.
once you are having this two condition, you ended up getting two equation. If you are thinking how, so let me tell you, an formula you will be using. The nth term formula, an is equals to a plus n minus 1 into d. You are having third term in your hand, so a3 you will, okay, n you will take 3. A you don't know, okay, n you are taking 3. D you don't know, and you ended up getting a plus 2d. Okay, a3 is a plus 2d. Your a3 value you know that is 12. Your a3 value you know that is 12. So 12 is equals to a plus 2d. One equation you ended up getting. Are you able to create this type of equation by yourself just after reading this much part or understanding this much part? Yes, Bharti, Rayan, Afreen,
Yes,
Samya,
miss.
Yes,
Sarah.
ma'am.
After just getting that A3 is 12 and A50 is 106, will you will able to create the equation?
Yes, miss.
Please solve it and tell me the A and the D value. And anyone who is not getting, please let me know. सबको समझ में आ रहा है? Sarah, are you getting it?
Yes, ma'am.
Please create the equation. I have not created both the equation. One only I have shown over here. The other one you have to create from that circle one. Okay, from that circle one you will be able to create two equation. Those two equation you have to solve, and you have to tell me what is A, what is D. And yeah, if you are not getting what I'm talking about, please unmute yourself and tell me that can I explain it again. Yes, Let me ask one by one your equations. Yes, Afreen, what is your two equation? Can you tell me?
The first one is 12 is equal to a plus 2d, and the second one is a plus 49d is equal to 106.
Yeah. Yes, Bharti, what's your two equations?
Miss, a plus 3d, 2d equals 12 and a plus 49d is 106.
Yeah. Okay, you just have to solve it for A and D. Rayan, you are doing it. Samya, what is your two equations? Yes, Sarah, what is your two equations?
12 is equal to a plus 2d and 106 is equal to a plus 49d.
Yeah. So you will be able to solve it, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, let's do the next one. So the next question says that we are done with 8. Okay. Number 9. If the third and the ninth term of AP are this and this. Okay. If the third term of AP is, okay, A3 is 4 and ninth term is A9 is minus 8. Again, you will be getting two equations. After solving the equation, you will be able to take out the A value. You will be able to take out the D value. Okay. Here it says that which term of the, okay, after getting A and D, please find that which term of this AP is 0. Which term of the AP is 0? We will say, let's assume that nth term is 0. Right? We will say that after getting first find A and D. From A3 as a 4 and A9 as a minus 8, you have to find A and D. Okay. Number 8 answer is 29. And okay, 29th term is 64. Yes. Let me check. Yeah. Yes, Afreen, it is correct. Yes, Inan, everyone is doing question number 9. Okay, if the third term and ninth term of an AP is given, so I have written on the screen A3, the third term is 4, and A9, the ninth term is minus 8. And at first, I asked everybody to find A and D so that we can solve the next part. Can you hear me?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Yes, Inan, please turn on your camera.
Okay, ma'am. Ma'am, then,
Yes, what you got as a and D?
ma'am, A is 8 and D is -2.
A you said 8 and D is -2.
Yes.
Okay. Yes, everyone, please check. Are you getting the same? Here we have to find which term of this AP is 0. Okay, if we know A, if we know D, we will say,
And 6.
okay, fifth. Okay, let's check it. So if we know A, if we know D, we will say, let's assume that nth term is 0. Okay, at nth place, we are having 0 over here. That means an is 0 and we need to find. Okay, which term is 0? That means placement we have to find. You just have to be clear with two things over here. The placement, the question is asking about the placement, or the question is asking about, okay, the number in the sequence, that what is there in at fifth place, what term we will be having. Okay, is it asking the term of the AP or just the placement of any number? So it says 0 is sitting at which place. We are saying that let's assume that at nth place we are having 0. Okay, the formula is A plus n minus 1 into D. Our A we are having as a 8. Okay, and we are trying to find what is the placement of 0. Okay, and common difference, just now you only told me that it is -2. Okay, whatever way you solve it, please solve it. I do just take 8 to the other side, it will be 0 minus 8. Here let's keep everything as it is for now. Then we take -2 in the denominator of -8, it will be just 4 over there, and that is n minus 1. That means n will be 4 plus 1, that means 5. Fifth term. Yes, anyone trying to ask anything?
Um, how does how did A become 8? Doesn't say A is equal to 8 or something.
We are doing question number 9 in none. If the third term and ninth term is given, can you see this one, the circle one?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, at first I have written the circle one, and then I said everybody that create a equation from here, a pair of equation, and solve it for A and D. Okay, so third term is 4. Third term is 4. That means we'll be using the formula for third term. The formula is A plus, okay, n minus 1 into D. So here n we know that is 3. 3 minus 1 into D. That is 4. Third term is 4 means, okay, this one is 4. Then we are saying that A plus 2D, that is 4. This is one equation number 1. And from the other one, A9 is -8. We are getting another equation, that -8, A plus ninth term, that means 9 minus 1. Okay, 8D. Two equations we are getting. First, you have to solve this two equation to take out the A value and D value. Everyone is getting A as a 8 and D as a -2 by using the pair of linear equation in two variable, okay, method of substitution or method of elimination. You have to solve this two equation to take out the A value and D value. Every now and then here you will encounter that A5 is given, A7 is given, or maybe A3 is given, A9 is given, or maybe A11 is given, A17 is given, and every time you have to create two equation to take out the A value and D value. Getting it?
Yes, ma'am.
The moment we are getting A and D, now we are saying that what is the placement of 0. Okay, next part of the question, it doesn't say find A, find D. Okay, directly the question is asking from you. Just a moment. So directly the question is asking from you that what is the placement of 0? So we realize at first we need to find A and D, and then only we can say let's assume that at nth place 0 is there. And nth term formula we are using, A and 0 we are putting, and n we are trying to find. At that means the placement of 0, and we ended up getting that as a 5. Getting it? Getting it, Inan? Can you hear me? Yes. Are you there, Inan? Can you hear me? Can you hear me, everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, Inan, please let me know. Let's do question number 10. Okay, here understanding part, that is really important. I will keep on explaining you the concept and you will keep on understanding over here. But when you will sit by yourself, maybe the sentence will not make any sense to you. So read question number 10 and I want to know your point of view. One by one, I am coming to you. Take your time and read it. Question number 10. Done? Now let's start with Sarah. Yes, Sarah.
Ma'am, I didn't do it yet.
Which one? The previous one? This one? Okay, you are reading it now?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Who will explain? Ryan? Question number 10.
I think 10th term of 17th term is greater than 10th plus 7.
Yeah, 17th term is greater than 10th term by?
7.
Yeah, so how we will write it? If I am saying that my age is greater than your age by 7, how you will make the equation? Can we say my age minus your age is 7?
Yes.
If I am 7 years older than you, then we can say that my age minus your age is 7. We can say that, right? Yes, Bharti, what are you getting from here?
Miss, the 17th term is 7 more than the 10th term. It's like 10th term plus 7 is the 17th term.
Yeah, yeah, that way also we can write it. Okay, 10th term plus 7, that is 17th term. Yeah. Inan, are you there?
Yes, ma'am.
What do you want to say for this particular question number 10?
Ma'am,
Yes.
Ma'am, so A17 is equal to A10 plus 7, right?
17 term is bigger. Okay. 17 term of an AP exceed can be taken as is more than. Is you can take is equals to more than you can take. Okay. More than 7. Okay. 10th term plus 7. This way you can write it. Or maybe you can write A17 minus A10 is 7. Both are same thing. Either you write the first one or you write the second one. It's the same thing. Getting it?
Yes.
Now A17 means what? The moment you are writing A17, are you understanding? A17 means we can use the formula. Yes, we don't know A, we don't know D, but we can write the nth term formula there at least at the place of n. Okay, Inan, you got the answer as well. So at the place of n, the nth term formula we can write a plus n minus 1 into d. For this particular question, we don't know what is a, we don't know what is d, but at least we know what is n. N is 17. So for A17, if I will use the same formula, we can write a plus n is 17. 17 minus 1 into d. Till now, are you able to write it directly as well? That A17 will be a plus 16d? Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, Afreen and you have already done. Let's see what will be the answer. So till now we have already understood that even though we don't know A, even though we don't know D, still we are able to write A17 will be A plus 16D. Now please don't ask from where 16 came. It is just 17 minus 1. Okay, is equals to A10. A10 directly also you can write A plus 9D because 10 minus 1 into D is just 9D only plus 7. Now, if you will take everything on one side of equal to, automatically your A will cancel out each other and you will end up getting the D value. Can you see that? It's that simple. You are just creating the equation, Rayan. You also got the answer. Yes, Bharti, Sarah, see carefully this one. From here only you will, Samia, are you there? From here only directly you will end up getting D value. When you will take everything on one side of equal to, your A and A will cancel out each other and you will be able to take out the D value directly from here. Clear? Is it clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, number 11. Which term of AP? Again, I want you to explain it. Okay, I want to know your point of view for this particular question. Number 11, please read everyone and tell me one by one what you are thinking about the same.
Can I say?
Yeah, sure, please.
So an will be equal to 3 plus, you know, 3 plus 3 plus the uh, 3 plus 50 53d, right? 53 into 12.
Never. A plus n minus 1 into D, you are saying? A is 3, right? So at first you are trying to find which term, Inan.
Man, so the equation will be like an is equal to a plus 53d plus 132.
Yes. Okay. Anyone want to say anything about this particular question? If you want to say in Hindi, that is also fine. I just want to know what you are thinking about it. Anyone? in this AP, okay, let's try understanding what the question says. You have a AP. First term is 3, second term is 15, third term is 27, fourth term is 39. Okay, like this it will continue, 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 and continue. Okay, you have to find which term means what is the placement of that particular term. Okay, which term of this AP is 132 more than 54th term? Which term is 132 more than 54th term? Somewhere you are having 54th term. Okay, and this is 132 more than 54th term. What is the placement of this particular term? So at first you need to find 54th term to see what is that number. Then you will see that 132 plus 54 is what? And then you have to find the placement of that final output. Are you getting? At first you need to find the 54th term. Then you need to see what is 132 more than 54th term. And then whatever you are getting, you are checking what is the placement of these terms. What is the placement of this particular box in your AP? What is the placement of this box? Where exactly it is sitting? Is it sitting at 100th place, 200th place, 70th place, 90th place, or what? Getting it? Okay, Ryan, you got the answer as well. Yes.
Ma'am,
Is
we
it?
have to do the 11th one. Should you
11.
have to do the 11th one?
Have to do. Okay, we'll be doing it together. Yes, Bharti, are you getting it?
Yes, miss.
Sarah, are you getting it?
Yes, miss.
Okay. At first, we need to find 54th term. Because in the question it is written. Okay, I'm not telling you. That's why I have given time to read the question. It says that which term is 132 more than 54th term. Okay, this type of question in mental math you used to do in lower classes. Okay, x is 132 more than 54. So you used to find x value over there. Here you just have to figure it out. What does it says in that manner only? But here it is talking about the terms. Okay, so 54th term you will be finding, then 132 more. Then you will see what is that final result. And in our AP, what is the placement of that number? We will be checking. Step by step we'll be doing. So at first 54th term, let's find 54th term of this AP. There is a AP, first term is 3, next term is 15, next term is 27, like that the AP continues. 54th term we have to find. We will be finding a plus n minus 1 into d. Our a is 3, n minus 1 will be 53, and the common difference I can see clearly 15 minus 3, that is 12. Okay, let me check. Yes, Inan, I'm checking. Yes, everyone, whoever have already answered, I'm checking. So 3 plus 2, 53 into 12.
And 636.
Is it 6? Is 6, 3, 6, 7, 8, 9? Or am I doing any mistake? 12, 3, 10, 36, 6, carry 3, 12, 5, 10, 60, 61,
Ma'am, it will be 639.
62, 63, 636 plus 3 will be 639, right? 639. 54th term we have found first, and we got 639. Now 132 more than this number. in question. Clearly it is written 132 more than this one. So 132 more than 639, it will be 639 plus 132. It is 771. 132 more than 639 will be 771. Now we have to check in our AP what is the placement of 771. That means at which place we are having 771 in our AP. Getting it? Can I stop over here and move to the next question? Is it clear to all of you? See, if you are not getting, it's your responsibility to tell me that yeah, you are not getting, and I'm happy to explain it. Okay, by taking another example, another situation. So please tell me if it is not clear. Is it clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Let's move to the next question. Number 11, we are done. Okay. Number 12. Two AP have same common difference. Two different AP you are having, but the common difference is same. And yeah, it is possible. Okay. It is completely normal. It is possible. I can give you an example. Suppose you are having a sequence of even number, that is 2 is there, then 4 is there, then 6 is there, then 8 is there. Here the common difference is 2. And suppose you are having another sequence where 1 is there, 3 is there, okay, 5 is there, 7 is there. So again the common difference is 2. Can you see that? If you are having, just for example, a sequence 2 4 6 8 like that, and another sequence 1 3 5 7, can you see in both the cases common difference is same? Okay,
Yes,
so
ma'am.
this is completely normal. We can have two different AP, but the common difference can be same. Let's read the question. So we are talking about number 12. Two AP has same common difference. You are having two AP, but the common difference. Okay, here also common difference is D. Just a moment. Here Here also the common difference is D. Here also the common difference is D. Two AP have same common difference. The difference between their hundredth term is 100. Okay. So A can be different. Okay. Common difference is same. D, common difference. We are taking D over here and the same D over there because the common difference is same. Okay. You can say common difference here it is X and there also it is X. You can say that if you want. But the first term is different. Okay, first term you can say A1 over here, and the first term you can say, okay, let me take, yes, who got the answer as well? Okay, Ryan, you got the answer as well. Let's see. Let's keep the common difference as a D in both the cases. Okay, this XYZ we'll be using for assuming first term and all. Okay, let's take the common difference as a D only. We are assuming in here the first term, suppose here the first term is X and here the first term is Y. Okay, it says that the difference between their hundredth term. So hundredth term formula over here will be an is equals to a plus n minus 1 into d. Your a is X plus n minus 1, 100 minus 1, that is 99 d. Here again, hundredth term, the formula will be a plus your a you have taken assumption as a y plus n minus 1, 99 d. The difference between, okay, this one and this one, you can take a dash over here because these two are different. Okay, completely different from each other. So we are doing the subtraction. the 100th term in the first AP minus a dash we are having that 100th term. So if we will just put the RHS also x plus 99d, and here minus, please use the bracket. It will be y plus 99d like that. The difference between their 100th term is 100. It is given in the question, it is 100. Now what are you getting after opening the bracket? You are getting x minus y is 100. Just keep this value as it is. X minus y, you know it is 100. Now you have to find the difference between their 1000 term. Here we will not be able to solve this equation. Okay, this equation you have learned in class 9, that if you are having a single equation containing two variable, you cannot solve them. There are infinitely many solutions. Can you recall? There was a chapter in class 9, linear equation in two variable, and you were saying that a linear equation in two variable has infinitely many solution because we cannot solve them. Then in class 10 you realized, okay, when we are having a pair then we can solve it. But here you don't have any pair of equation, you have a single equation, so you are not able to solve it. Okay, you will keep this equation as it is. When you will find the difference between their 1000th term, okay, a 1000 minus a dash 1000, when you will try finding it, a 1000 will be a plus n minus 1 into d. Your a you have taken as a x, plus n minus 1, 1000 minus 1 means 999. Your d you are keeping d only. Other one, a plus n minus 1 into d minus y. See, you have to keep it in bracket. I am opening the bracket and showing you. Minus, because bracket was there, 999d. This is what you are getting, this gone, and you are just getting the difference between the 1000th term is x minus y. Value of x minus y already you are having in your hand, that is 100. So you will drop the value x minus y, we know it is 100. Answer is 100. Difference between their 1000th term is 100. Yes, your answer is correct. Ryan, your answer is correct. Afrin, your answer is also correct. Yes. Anyone having any doubt over here? Anyone? Any doubt? Inan, is it clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Tara, is it clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Bharti, is it clear?
Yes, miss.
Amia, is it clear? Let's do the next one. Number 12, we are done. Okay. We'll be doing number 13 now. How many three-digit number are divisible by 7? Yes. Who will explain this?
Ma'am, can I explain?
Yeah, please.
So, like, the last three-digit number is 999, right? So, AN will be 999, but we should first div- uh, we should first di- uh, divide it with 7. So 999 is not divisible by 7, right? So we will subtract a number to make it divisible by 999, and we'll do the calculations.
Hmm. So we will be getting the last number. What about the first number? How many three-digit numbers are divisible by 7? Okay. Three-digit number starts from
100.
100.
Okay, we will check, is it divisible by 7? No. Then which number is divisible by 7? After 100, which number you are having which is divisible by 7? So we can, there are so many ways to identify it. You can refer to the table of 7, or maybe you can check 100, 102, like that. There are so many ways. Okay. One of the ways, 7, 10 times 70, you already know. 7, 11 times 77, 12 times 84. Okay. 7, 13 times 91, and after this one 7, 14 times 98. Okay, 7, 15 times we are having 105. Is it 105? Yeah, this is the first 3-digit number. Can you see which is divisible by 7? 105. Either you can refer to the table, or there is another way also. I am showing you what is that way. 105 is the first 3-digit number which is completely divisible by 7. 3-digit number, it starts from 100. 100 is not divisible, 101 is not divisible, 102 is not divisible, 103 is not divisible, 104 is not divisible, 105 is divisible. You can also try dividing 100 by 7. That means 7 1 times 7, 7 4 times 28, and you are getting 2 as a remainder. Okay, 14 into 7, 14 into 7 is 98. That means just before 100. Just before 100, there is a number which is completely divisible by 7 is 98. After this one, next number will be at the gap of 7. So of course 105. Getting it?
Yes, ma'am.
Everyone, is it making sense to you? First 3-digit number is 100. When I divided 100 by 7, I realized that I am getting remainder. So I thought it's fine, I am getting remainder. Let me check by doing the multiplication of quotient and the divisor, that, okay, what is the nearest number which is nearest to 100 and completely divisible by 7. So we got 98. Okay, we got 98 is the nearest, a number which is nearest to 100 and divisible by 7. So the next number 98, after 98 the next number will be 98 plus 7, that is 105. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
105 is the first 3-digit number divisible by 7, and the last 3-digit number is 999. Same logic we will use over there. We will divide 999 by 7, and we are going to get, see, 7 1 times